So my name is Stevie Nguyen, and I am the product design manager for the financial performance portfolio. So that means together with our partners in engineering and in product management, my team of product designers and I are responsible for all the features that help you get paid. So that's billing, accounting, and payments. So before I came to Clio, I worked at an agency. I had my own clients and can totally relate to that stress and pain of tracking my time, sending out those invoices, following up on those invoices, everything to really make sure that I got paid on time, and making sure that I kept good, clean records, all for tax time. So today in this 15-minute session, I'm going to help highlight for you the best features in Manage to help you get paid quickly and on time. That's in-person payments, click-to-pay links, and QR codes, as well as payment plans. So my colleague earlier touched upon it a little bit, but let me tell you why you really should enable Clio payments. So you're here in Nashville, Tennessee at ClioCon 2022. Because you're using Clio, you know that going digital, being cloud-based, and being client-centric is going to help you run your firm more smoothly. Your staff are a lot happier, and most importantly, your clients. But did you know that it can also help you get paid more quickly? 57% of electronic bills get paid on the same day. And clients or customers who use Clio get paid 9 days faster than without. So the average amount of time it takes someone to get paid is about 18 days. 9 days faster. And this is because when you make it easy for your clients to pay you, they're going to pay you faster. Clio Payments allows you to accept debit, credit card, and e-check. We're also IOTA compliant. We'll keep your earned and unearned funds separate and make sure that it's protected from third parties as well. Your digital payments are automatically recorded on your bills and Manage, and they'll sync to your connected accounting platform, saving you time and removing room for error. In addition to this, Clio has transparent and really simple and fair pricing, which includes a flat transaction rate, which makes your bills a lot easier to understand. The math is amount of the amount of the payment times the transaction rate. That's 2.8% for credit cards and $2 per e-check. And with no hidden or interchange network fees, you always know what you're paying, regardless of which method your clients are choosing. So as a designer, we spend a lot of time talking to many of you. I'm not a lawyer, but I've learned that the business of managing a law firm is pretty tricky, especially when you have variable costs and expenses every month, which includes those payment processing fees. So Clio is the only legal payments provider that allows you to choose when you're going to incur those processing fees. You can do it as they're incurred daily, or you can select a lump sum at the end of the month. And fees are, of course, always deducted from your operating account. Very important. So if you're already one of our managed customers, Clio Payments is actually part of your subscription. Our customer support team, who are available 24/5, can help you enable it. While you're at ClioCon, you can also go to the Clio Success Center, and they can help you out if you're struggling to do it online. Okay, so yes, Stevie, sounds awesome. How do I get paid? We have 3 features to help you get paid, whether your client's right there in front of you, at the office, or located anywhere else in the world. So they're not for restaurant menus anymore. QR codes make a mobile client-friendly way to get paid. So what if they're not with you? The click-to-pay links. Click-to-pay links offer you that also mobile-friendly, flexible way of collecting payments. They're automatically included in your bills that you share for Manage. As of this week, they're also available on our secure, mobile-friendly client portal, Clio for Clients, making it easier for your clients to get paid. And for many of you, we know that email is really important. You need that document trail, right? Well, you can include a payment link as a link inside your email or inside a text message. You can also give it a more prominent place on your website. If you meet your client there in any digital form, we can help you get paid there. For your repeat and frequent customers, we really recommend that you request your clients to save their methods. So PCI, this new 4.0 standard. How many of you collect credit card information over the phone? How many of you ask for it over email? And then you're going to delete it, right? But if you switch over and use Clio payments and only use Clio payments to request the payment methods, you will inherently be PCI compliant. And lastly, I want to talk to you about payment plans. So when a new Client joins Clio, we all get a copy of Jack's book, The Client-Centered Law Firm. And in it, he tells us about how 80% of people are not getting legal representation for legal issues. And a huge barrier is just money. So payment plans can be a great opportunity for you to differentiate your firm, but also make legal services accessible for everyone. If I can buy a brand new motorcycle on a payment plan or a pair of boots on payment plans, why can't I also get my legal services on one? Well, with Clio payments, you can. The funds will be deposited into trust over time or against an invoice. You can schedule the collection once, weekly, monthly, bi-monthly, and they're automatic. So your clients don't have to worry about missing a payment, and you don't have to worry about chasing them down. You can access those payment links, click-to-pay links, and QR codes, all by enabling Clio payments. In less time than it took me to tell you about all those, you could already be set up and already be getting paid. And if you head over to our Level Up with Clio area today or tomorrow, if you ask for a demo for Clio payments, we can enter you in a draw to win a pair of Beats by Dr. Dre. So thank you for your time and your attention this morning. Before I leave, I want to remind you about Jack's keynote this morning when he talks about being an anti-fragile law firm. How can enabling Clio payments allow you to connect, get creative, and become a client-centric, anti-fragile law firm that gets paid? Thank you.